A plein air painting watercolor tutorial by Makarand Joshi. On occasion of the completion of 75 years of Indian independence, in association with the Art Society of India, Sir J. School of Art, Mumbai, and Urban Sketches Mumbai and Urban Sketches Navi Mumbai, I attended a painting session in Sir J. School of Art, Mumbai, India. This college is also the college from which I completed my graduation. That's degree in fine art, BFA. It was sheer nostalgia to paint for hours at a stretch in the same premises, in the same at the same venue that shaped my future some 2 decades ago. I painted two plein air landscapes. The first is the canteen shown here, and the second one is the backside of the porch of the building. But I painted the present one first. I used 45 centimeters by 55 centimeters rough grain handmade watercolor paper. After the initial suggestive drawing, I started with the painting part. I paid I laid down the base tones, base colors, and the basic separation in tones and colors. It was established first. It helps you later. It was a cloudy day. It was drizzling as well. So, in order to keep my morale high, I started paying attention to the beautiful building of my college, built in Gothic style, around 165 years ago, way back in 1857 AD, over a century and a half ago. Oh, that's really historical. Uh, it's a building having a historical building status officially. The arches and the pillars of the building are just marvelous. Black stone used abundantly, especially in the construction of the walls. It appears violet when it's cloudy, especially during the day. And the yellow stone used for uh, the protruding uh, windows and arches and the doors, the main door as well, create a nice contrast. And then it's the grass and bushes which are green since it's a rainy season. It was rainy season when I painted. Since they were green, they add a punch of brightness and life amidst yellow and dark stone construction. There was an interesting play of shade and light in the subject I chose for the first plein air of that day, which is the one that I am showing now. Later, I painted another plein air, which was the college canteen building, an old house kind of structure. I have included a few images of various stages of the second landscape, but only in the later part of this video, towards the end. Right now, let us continue with this painting, which has the main subject as the statue, a bust sculpture of the founder and the main donor to this college.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간을